How to remove this yellow line from a video in CapCut PC. Some people find this yellow line very annoying, while some found it very useful. This yellow line is different from this playhead here. This playhead, if you see, I can move it anywhere on the timeline. And if I am not moving the playhead, I just move my console anywhere at the timeline. You see that this yellow line is moving along with it. Some people find it annoying while some found it useful. So in your case, if you find this yellow line annoying, you can actually remove it. Just come to this option here, then click on it. Now the yellow line is gone, and if you ever want it back again, you can go back and click this option. The yellow line is back. Now what is the purpose of this yellow line? Why do we have it in CapCut? The purpose of this yellow line is to help us to see what is in the next clip without moving this playhead. The playhead can be anywhere. Now, without moving the playhead, but I want to see what is in the next clip, I will just move this yellow line. Can you see it? Can you see it? 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. The yellow line helps us to switch between two or more clips in our timeline without moving the playhead. Now what is the name of this yellow line? The name of this yellow line is called PreviewAxis. PreviewAxis. So you can actually remove it if you don't want it, or you go with it as it is. Subscribe for more videos like this.